Getting the news used to be so simple. If you saw something on the TV or heard it on the radio, you knew where it had come from. Then along came social media, with billions of people sharing millions of items every minute. Inevitably, some of the items we now see are deliberately manipulated. But once an item is shared, it can be hard to determine its original source and shape. That's where Project Origin comes in. An alliance of 4 organisations from the publishing and technology world working together to find ways to allow the provenance and integrity of content to be checked. The purpose of Origin is to do 2 things: allow a user to confirm the publishing source of a media story, and to confirm that the media has not been editorially altered since it was published. Let's follow the journey of a media file from its publication to its consumption. First, an Origin-compliant publisher will package metadata describing the media into a manifest. A digital fingerprint of the file is made. It's cryptographically signed by the publisher. The manifest and fingerprint are then uploaded into the Origin ledger. A receipt is returned to the publisher. This package of validation information is then embedded in the media file. As a consumer watches the video, the browser, or ultimately the video player, checks the embedded manifest and receipt. If the manifest was removed or damaged in its distribution, the secondary process takes a fingerprint of the video and uses it to look up the manifest from the ledger. The status of the video, or sections of the video, are displayed in the player. Positive, negative, and neutral symbols are displayed. Origin provides a browser extension which indicates if a video has been previously uploaded to the Origin service and matches the signed manifest. The browser extension icon's colour changes from the original, non-active state to green, showing that the video's provenance has been successfully authenticated as coming from the BBC. Because the browser extension has successfully found the video in the Origin service, it can also download the manifest metadata and display it to the user by clicking on the browser extension icon. During the initial rollout period, there will be many times when legitimate news is carried by a system that does not yet support the Origin standard. In order to prevent false negative alerts, we will have a neutral indication for the user. Now, let's look at what happens if someone alters this video. The Origin browser extension icon state changes to red to inform the viewer that the media has failed an integrity check. The Origin partners are working to develop this work into an open industry standard that can be adopted for widespread deployment by all media publishers, large and small. And we want to get other broadcasters and publishers on board to ensure that we can set standards for this kind of work. Please join us in this discussion on how we can use media provenance to build a more secure news infrastructure. Thank you.